Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add your Revolut virtual card to Apple Pay in 2025. First, go ahead and open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Once you're in, tap the plus icon in the top right corner of your screen. Next, select the option to add a new card. Tap continue and you will be prompted to hold your iPhone near the chip on your Revolut card if you're adding a physical card. Now, if you're adding a virtual card, you can simply skip the step. Instead, tap the option to manually enter the card details. Enter your card number, the name on the card, and any other required information. Once everything is filled out, follow the prompts to complete the process. And that's it. Your Revolut card will now be added to Apple Pay. Thanks for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tips and tutorials like this one. I'll see you in the next time with new fresh content. Thanks.